Integrating cybersecurity into CCNA training. As organizations increasingly rely on connected systems, networks become prime targets for cyber attacks. From ransomware to DDoS attacks, the need for strong security is urgent. Network engineers are often the first line of defense. They implement and maintain secure infrastructures. Holistic skill development. The CCNA certification blends networking with cybersecurity. It ensures candidates can handle diverse challenges. Industry relevance. Cyber threats evolve daily. So, demand for secure network designers is skyrocketing. The updated CCNA curriculum makes candidates more attractive to employers. Career advancement. A CCNA with a cybersecurity component suits roles like network security engineer and security analyst. It opens doors to higher-paying jobs. Preparing for the cybersecurity elements of CCNA. Utilize official Cisco resources. Cisco's official study guides and practice exams are tailored to the updated curriculum. They are invaluable resources. Hands-on practice. Practical experience is crucial for mastering cybersecurity concepts. Tools like Cisco Packet Tracer and GNS3 can simulate real-world scenarios. Join a community. Participating in forums and study groups can provide insights and support. Platforms like Reddit, Cisco Learning Network, and LinkedIn groups are excellent starting points. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating cybersecurity into CCNA training is a big step. It better prepares professionals for today's networking roles. Cisco wants CCNA certified professionals to be more than network engineers.